something which brings you joy and something which is useful and easy to kind of manage and embrace with positive emotions and stuff like that without compromising only on the style elements. This is the best. This is the best all white interiors. You're not living in Taj Mahal, or you're not living in, like a pure place of innocence and stuff like that, where all white is something which you must go for. All white is an extremely elegant and a pure way of living and stuff, but it demands an extraordinary level of cleanliness and stuff, so it becomes rather difficult and stuff. So that's why I advise that even if you're going for something in white, try and kind of balance it with the colors and stuff, and colors are in. So I had made this prediction that yes, colors are going to be the in thing now. When it comes to retail, it's going to be colors. When it comes to let's say when it comes to compositions, even in architecture and design and stuff, it's going to be all colors and stuff, looking at pollution and climate and stuff like that. But coming back to the point that white becomes difficult to maintain because you